Oh mama ndi insimba ikoba metafani insimba ikobi inyembezi ndenza show abazibo.
Yo, namhlanje iweather ibad kuyabanda but nakho sikhona. We back with another one. What we're gonna talk about today is very touching and very sensitive topic, man. For me, the reason why it is sensitive because it's something that engayazi ukuthi ngayenza njani or into engasiqhuba kanjani lena, but by the way of it, this is the Black Valcast. It's FP Mangai from the Black Valcast, aka Mr. Valcast, Indona Sikasi. Ayenza izinto zenzeka yabona, we are back again as Samuzola but social expansive, and I'm not here alone, and ndihamba ne coast yam today. How are you, my sister?
Very right,
I'm grand. Ungabisha phakamsilizo masithethe manje.
Right and right.
I'm the right mfethu. As I topic yanamhlanje mfethu, it's deep. It's because I've been traveling around and I've seen a lot of things. I've seen how people are working together. I've seen how amajita ama-creatives asibana kanjani ezinto zabo kanjani yabo. So sisevala, this is Val Triangle, and then the topic yakhona ithi why Val Triangle creatives struggle to make it through. Like talking from experience, like talking from what I've experienced, what I've learned. I've traveled a lot of places. I'm talking about Northwest, Bobo, Free State, Eastern Cape. I'm a creatives, I'm a photographer, I'm a players, I'm a influencers, business people, entrepreneurs. Those people are pushing, but most of content creators now, and then what is it ikasi to elekayo, man? Like nasekasi, you know, I've been shooting, we've been traveling every ceremony, every nightclub, every gig eskwanayo sibizweyo, like I'm a business seminar. We there as the Black Valcast. I'm talking about ikasi, Val Triangle in the talent of it. From footballers, you know, really, they are from here. From actors, there's this guy, the actor Deep City. I forgot this guy, man. Like
We also have actor kwi House of Zwide, intombazana le. Estory ngomampo.
Oh, serious?
Yeah,
Oh,
she's from Val.
She's from Val.
But I don't know where.
Oh yeah, that guy Hamilton what in the band. And then even that young guy, that young boy, it Scandal, we need after right now. So I'm a doctor, and then there's I'm a artist. We have a lot of artists. They wanna fit to man. Oh, Miss Prue come from here. If we're gonna talk about my artist, yeah, guys, there's no way Ival in the Bona Guti. Why ngayenzi that? Why most of us struggle and feel to why are we feel like we are holding back, man? When what do you think?
As a youth.
Yeah, yes.
As a youth.
Yeah. Specifically.
As a youth. I say now it's us as a youth. Jengam now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like why go struggle or ever? Okay. I would say as la support, we don't support each other. We celebrate its downfall. You understand? And we if we are spanner, not everyone knows about happy for you. Why is that?
Mona.
It's no Mona. Yeah, well.
And then there's this thing.
It's no Mona.
There's this thing but there's this TV trend that like if you wanna make it in fit to go out of and it's raining.
Yeah, well, Why?
And we've got
And
everything.
vele if you go out bangaphi abaphumuleyo eVaal bahlala bomaJoburg. I have friends esihlala boJoburg wariska umuntu athi yazi into emfok ndiyahambe eVaal.
Yaziphuma yini.
Yeah. Then vele make efika eJoburg omnye Cape Town omnye Eastern Cape like life ikhaleze yapop.
No man, this thing needs to change. Guys man, lento ngasupportani, it's not good man. Cause and amajita yasifundile bra. We're well educated.
Very
Educated. You can go amajita athengisa estradini, amajita shaya amakawashi,
Yabo.
amajita spana retail. Afundile.
Graduates.
Like as you say, for example, amajita lawa asethabong. Abanye bathengisa amaplate.
Yeah,
The-
eThabong nalo oseplaza jonga ngoku sekukho this other new one elapha ngase hostel 4 jonga ne garage balwe emagcekeni.
Oh, I've seen
Yeah.
that.
Like go hectic gcoli car wash like senguwe ngoku no there's an example ne kusasa vroeg in the morning uqale ume pha eplaza marobotini or ngakula gate uze so ubali car wash before uzofika kwi stop sign sethu. Zingaphi car washes hostel 1 ngasemshweshwe uze hostel 3 uphinde uze like ziso so kukuwo ba uya decide uba ndifuna uza kule kanye until uyotsho uyophelela zone 12 stop sign.
Which means this thing you lack of support ekasi ayise.
Like asinayo.
Oh, and futhi kwalanto leyo ukuthi kufuneka sometimes mawuzokwenza into uncenga umuntu. Yeah, umuntu uyamncenga but not to the point where ufuneka ngokufuna ihlele ndisikoko betithe wena.
But
Uyitheni.
that's what they want.
Oh.
First you would work ngathini Eskom. Ne? Usebenza Eskom you rather than uthi zi ndiphi CV yakho bani ndiphi CV yakho une electrician lowa une welding lowa une nto siyayazi mos Eskom ine platform ezininzi departments ezininzi. It doesn't mean makumele usebenza Eskom mele ube ne electrician cha they also need welding into. So when you would prefer ukuthi udle uyi1 because ufuna nto lamncengo
Ayisa.
nje kyamncenga hot money kupaponto lo pabrodo.
Oh, and then don't you
And which is it's something that we didn't start it Tina e generation yabona le generation yano le youth e generation yethu yangoku. It's not ayoba yinto encancwe ko bhuti no sisi bethu.
Oh, from
Way
old
back,
generation.
because kukhona ubutadiana obuskhothana. You get me. I'm not saying it's a wrong thing being itadiana or it's a right thing to be a tadiana. I'm not against that. Yeah, we are afford nguwe ungufeza we are afford unxiba iskipa se 7,000 ibhrukhwe ye 5,000 isihlangu se 22,000.
And yazi into yobutadiano it's I don't think ukuthi abantu abaninzi they understand ubutadiano yintoni. I think ubutadiano for me it's the same thing as in like umphosa ichawe and then umuntu ohlele clean like ufuna kube clean.
Okay.
Amazulu bazibiza ntoni? Amagcokama those guys who are dressing like for me
Amabhinga something like
amabhinga
that.
ya umuntu ohlele egqoke clean egqoke skuni yabo but la eVaal ubutadiana lanto yokuthi baya umuntu ya like uxelela the way ngakhona ukuthi hey namfethu ndiso nakitina tiki ya 7,000 ngitina status in that thing guys it's if life here is fine but not all of us singamatadiano mona or
And not all of us kuthi sistyle sethu.
ubutadiano eVaal man it needs I don't know ubutadiano. I feel like how I wish if there's someone else on engathole episode now and then tells me what is ubutadiano and then guess
Maybe I feel like namdi dizamoy understand.
yes.
Okay, what I would say about ubutadiana. Okay, kumjida oclean ozithandayo. Okay, for me, the way I think eval addresswa wrong mhlawumbi.
That's why I'm saying ukuthi as much as I'm a
Mhlawumbi mna hey
Yebo.
why?
No, we'll get someone. If you know you're out there, we're not
Yeah, please guys. Yeah, please like Janicela, I'm begging you guys, man. Not in a bad way. Akuliwa, guys, akuliwa.
We just want to understand.
We just want to understand what is it like with the Diana and why. Meaning, I cannot get help from scratch as my own. Okay, ndifuna ukwenza 1 2 3 or ngifuna starta business. So for me, ukuthi into zami zipope zibe right, I have to know someone olitadian or someone who knows people.
And then nato iyena ku entertainment like us. You see entertainment like us, it's siyabuya. It's very strong and ikasi igcwele lamatadiana. They say if imaguzumela people but imaguzumela.
No, but do you think Maguzumela okay.
Yes, what is Maguzumela?
Maguzumela. What is Maguzumela? The word Luguzumela.
The way it does a Pitori try Guzumela.
Yeah, I say Pitori. Where is Luguzumela?
And like but you do
oh, sort of like a sugar daddy.
Yes.
Or a blesser.
Yes, right? Something like that. Yeah.
Okay, masithi loaded ngoku. Alright, life in nemali. So meaning uzoba Luguzumela.
I don't know. When what is a Guzumela? Again, Guzumela.
Ilo Guzumela for me. Kumuntu osebenza kanzima. Hear me. I wouldn't say ngumjida. Kumuntu osebenza kanzima for ukuthi ilife yakhe ibe sharp. Oh. For me. Hustler. For me, a hustler. Oh. Yeah. For me.
Which is how did it go to bed?
No, I'm not saying. I don't know. Mhlawumbi I'm wrong.
Okay, we hear that thing.
Mhlawumbi I'm wrong or
yeah.
Right. I don't know, but you guys, so you will tell us. You will tell me. Same thing goes to Slay Queen.
No. Oh, yeah.
You see, Luguzumela. It's an impact. Luguzumela. It's a loaded guy. Oh, when this doesn't take it's Slay Queen. Siyoza Mama Guzumela. Meaning. Ozala Mama Guzumela. Or Guzumela li dibana ne Slay Queen. Ithini lento.
We never know. I'll spend that. And then speaking of that, like recently there was there was a clash, this thing TikTok with the creatives as a gas a color about clubs that outlets they are not paying them artists back. And then I was following their lives and everything. Yeah, I can tell you know them, all of them. You know them. And then Mina, I liked the comment. I'll just say his name, Upek. The reason why I'm saying the owner of PK.
The owner of PK. Yeah. Okay.
I liked the way Ingenile regular live, and then he spoke
for himself.
Okay. And then, because I understand Ishangabuyo. For example, Upek you say Uchegum. Most of you nyakhala ukuthi we as outlets we are not paying. But do you understand ukuthi a day stress abanazo, they are doing an event. But let's consider this thing, they are doing an event. And then when doing event, someone in manager will pick up phone and ukuthi I've got this money, I'm gonna give you this money. My phone it's fine. Let's say on Sunday, PK is Sunday, Upek is doing, or someone is doing something, Upek already doing staff 7 that are Monday to Friday. That staff, maybe it's 30 people. Okay. And then there's amateur DJs that finally ask that. Global DJs that, so let's say there are 10 or 15 DJs. There's MCs. Those people, they need to be paid. And then in order for Upeki and Zimali, they need people to be there. bathenge ntoni, the alcohol, bathenge ntoni, those things, in order ukuthi ubheki akhona ukubhadala. And then the moment ubheki wenza event and then there's no people there, abantu beza abancinci, and then ubheki une-bill engange-50,000 and then imali engenile it's 30,000, and then he comes to you and tell you ukuthi, guys, I didn't make money this time, can I please ndinibhadale ngelinye ilanga? And then you become frustrated with thinking ukuthi ubheki, oh, since azubani umbhadele, while in the meantime maybe akambhadelanga. Into elisayo leno sithi kasi asisapotana just because mna let's say I'm close nobheki. By the way, ubheki mina I've never like I'm shooting in PK or anything, but okay, he welcomed me with warm hands, but like, yeah, man, if you wanna come and shoot here, do your thing, you're always there. And then just because of, let's say, I'm communicating with Peggy, and then Peggy mangethe kuni akasibhatalanga, so ngizosibhatala next week, like, no, yena ubhatela office in. Guys, those people, they are going through a lot. They have bills.
I hear you.
They have bills. They lo muntu ufuna stock utshwala, ufuna abhatala staff, there's electricity, there's everything. You need to make sure all that thing. I'm not saying ukuthi whatever they are doing, but what I heard ukuthi ba communicate nabo ukuthi bazobhatalwa, but nabo imali ayikho ngoku, but we'll give you some time.
Okay, I hear you. I'm not against lento ithethayo. Excuse me. Are we having these DJs and stuff and MCs like literally gamalanga sivula ngawo? Let's say sivula Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday asivula. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, istaff eso siyeza sonke emsebenzini na. Point 1. 2, o DJ beza bonke na. Point 2. 3, EMC ziza zonke na. 4, kune cameraman.
Yes.
Kune cameraman.
That's what I'm saying. There's a lot.
There's a lot that's happening.
Yes.
Gapa, he has bills to pay, alcohol to stock. So why? Andithi mna ndifila ngathi makaphaninge a chance. If une staff abayi 15, ono DJ abayi 10, une cameraman ezi 5, une MC ezi 5, une ntonton ezi 6. Okay, makenze ischedule ukuthi okay, ufezile ku cameraman zothatha ufezile no zikhona. Bayaphangela Thursday. Gole sihlanu zothatha ubani nobani baphangele. Enze ischedule sokuthi wena nawe niphangela nini. And then get big event kulapho ukuthi istaff sizoza bonke mhlawumbe kune celebrity ezayi artist ethile iyeza izo perform, and obviously mele ubojonga. Kaloku it's not always month end.
Yes.
You have to think that business is not always running. Yabo. So uyeza uDeben Gogo or uyeza uKO or whoever uyeza APK. Yabo, istaff sakho yayazi ukuthi ngizosidinga sonke because kuzoba packed, and nakanjani imali ndizoyenza.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
Yabo.
Yes.
And when it comes to payment, I feel like abe strategy for him. In fact, I'm not talking about only PK, like
yes.
Everywhere, Boomshake, Capitals, what is it, Ember, wherever, man, yabo.
No, yes.
Just come up with a strategy for you to protect the. Remember, you cannot save your name. Save the name BK Lifestyle. Awuzuthi disave mna ndingubheki. No. Lwela ukuthi okay, mansolve le. Then elije like ungadubula intaka. Yabo.
So
intaka ezi3 ngelitye li1.
No, the problem has been phela as I was saying ukuthi lento uzobichila ukuthi ekasi we have trust issues and asapotana. Yes, and one thing we don't want to understand
exactly
each other.
That's the thing that's going on, guys. See you if you're Valley. You're like a Valley. I want like is it groovist. nanso into esifake inhliziyweni sizi-groovies, and I'm not saying masiseleni pop mabhodlela champagne mazipopheni, but mazipopheni guys ngale
ingqondo ivulekile
ngengqondo uyayazi ukuthi yazi intoni. If awubudalelwa ngobu-DJ or awuyidalelwa ngento ethi zama something yabo silweni si-youth guys, come on. I'm gonna make an example Indians.
Shit, those people.
Okay, white people like bayaphikapana kuthi jo iza uzobona iplan ukuthi okay uzohlala nami inyanga kodwa isipani sona uzosithola na kanjani thina sixoxe intoni.
No, lento leyifuna kube so emajita bafethu bonani mamelani bafethu. I know whatever we cannot change umhlaba or anything guys.
Exactly.
Let's try to work together. As a youth, I'm talking about the youth. Guys, let's not focus about the government. They already gain it. Bona. How bona mama waspana mfita batla spana wena. Kopa munke mkenya matsoho mfethu. Aha, umuruti ashape spana sahayi. How bona mama wetsa in obatlo interested or uspana len. Mukupe hotman. For an example, I'm going to talk about my site. For example, I'm doing a podcast. There are many people in text lane by inbox layer. There are some who responded to me. Bakona banyazanga ba respond from me. For example, I'm gonna make example ngo Kimam Mshepepe. I didn't even think was gonna respond to me.
Oh wow.
I inbox Mshepepe. Was a valley like it. I the hot man the physical from the Black Valcast we doing just so episode of Samakasi sifuna abantu abafana nana ba inspire you to who's doing izinto abantu abachita akhalungu ukuthi azenza because they've seen ama heroes abafana nani. I hot man for what give me your numbers I wanna call you. I give him. I phela ngani 1 minute he called me. We spoke, we organized ukuthi sokwenza njani and everything. How bani? I was shocked ukuthi I never thought ukuthi like
anga reply so quick
so fast. Okay. They are many if to artists are respondile ku and then there are many abaniphotileyo there are many who didn't respond yabo. I'm not saying ukuthi everyone in text leyo respondile but let's move away from not working together. We need each other. We are educated, we've got skills, we've got knowledge. Bona let's work together sibomaneni. Nsakelele abutadiana sometimes or sebisa abutadiana ba olateba. Even
I feel like nabo putbethu bamatadiana they would talk some sense but impahla mazine
mabanye impahla zabo let jonga
anamandla lamona
mabanye impahla zabo but mabazi ukuthi basicela ukuthi entwana yabona nani wambona kushapile ini
watseba ketswa kae like asixelelele istruggle sakhe kodwa yo watsaki fitlile jwa mo tontonto. Okay, let me say name tinyenza umsekelo ngobani ngoba namatadiana. Okay, I'm joking. I'm scared to mention names, but then I'm gonna go. Who's this guy?
Mention.
Okay, who's Spijo name? If Spijo was not lo mntu enguye today, like uyi role model ebantwini abaninzi, if he was not that person, ucifana ngengumuntu onjani ngoku masiyeke obom bakhe bangoku.
Yeah, like
ucifana ngengumuntu onjani if ebengumuntu like alright okay ngumjita sekasi mhlawumbe yasebenza PPP okanye ndenza umzekelo ngo ababhuti badala bona bhuti mshepepe ovalntontoni. If they were not those people abangabo namhlanje, not in a bad way, andazi nokuthi ndibeka. Do you think ukuthi they were gonna be well known mhlawumbe in a certain way yokuthi okay ndimbanibani nisuka eval okanye mhlawumbe bayidalelwe lento abayenzayo ngoku?
Yabona, for example for me I'm gonna talk to speech uSpiritual ndimshutile indawo ezininzi and then uSpiritual sazane like lando ukuthi uSpiritual ngathi umuntu yamazi FP no uSpiritual nakuthiwa kimtsiba but maybe if ungabona isithombe sami no mthoki yamtsiba washuta kayi uSpiritual ndake namkhwathe BK because ndithi Hotman bona kopo washapisa episode batla re buya ka bophelo bao from where you come from into zana. So Spiritual told me ati Hotman asingambi nna di episode take sharp ati motho di episode I not to okay. And they always say those things into zakhe and then I understand and then every time ndiyamkhumba umjita kana next and then ndiyamena amajita anjalo angathandi podcast which is fine. And then sometimes in media as the Black Valcast we don't take whatever we see on media. In order for me to confirm something, I have to be there.
Okay. Speaking of clothes, honest style is
yes.
Hence I'm saying, Kuti. Hence you mentioned, Kuti, for you, Italiana, Gumtu, clean, or umjita, clean, no shambayo, only smart. You understand? But put be chungo bayasifilisa manje yo like umnya telling a mistake actually konba ndingobe itake yami ye 70 rand yo nyathele islam se amani yo uthi ubhuqe ngamadolba yo bhutwa mcoco dine cousin brother yami ne yeah Michael just gonna show you his picture akhonta ngenxibi yo afuna inxiba but andithi untonton like naye unglamntu thanda uhlamba bemhle akhonto ngafuni inxiba but life yakhe private yebo you understand yazinqola into zakhe ayapho afuna uyakhona mhlamba sikuphe but like his life it's very private. I have a friend naye ilife yakhe private akhonto ngafuni inxiba iyawanxiba amaXhosa iyanxiba intontoni ulifa akhonto ngoba whatever ayifunayo but his life is private. Hence I'm saying ndithi mhlawumbe obut bethu nabo bonke bathi bona bafuna like okay yeah hey
no let me simple guys man
but guys siyanicela ne as a youth come on guys let's help each other,
let's work together.
And thanks to this guy the Kubani Val president, like your big ups to you man. You trying all your best to share whatever post you come across. Yeah, share out your page on Facebook like guys apply Little Espani. I wish you all the best. Thank you man. Thank you this is from me Zikona here with the Val plug and but thanks dude, keep on doing that guys.
And one person who's doing that, there are many like awareness abanye they are working on. There's a guy bangamaziyo man abanye bayamazi. There's a guy called Usizwe.
Okay.
Yeah. Is one of the people now. I'm gonna have an episode now, a fire episode. Ufana uNtate Stanza. Shout out to uNtate Stanza.
Shout out to you man. Star. Sorry.
I wanna hear that. Like Usizwe is pushing the narrative in future ukuthi ebutlinchingos. You know the clinchingos that ekasizo pra. So I wanna say ukuthi amajita afana noStanza, amajita afana noSizwe, and then lebontate Mollo they are playing a big role kuba to try to change the narrative.
Nan's okay the other thing. Nan's okay the other thing. Guys, let's stop racism. Come on, Mazulu, Maxhosa, Sotho. Come on guys, Pedi, Tswana. Come on, Shona. Come on guys,
let's show love.
Come on. We all here guys. We're not fighting, we're talking about us not being working. Like guys, don't you think if neretshwarana ka matsoho di nyaope nkabe dili less rate ya di drugs nkabe ile less bo nkabe ile less because of o mong a thola span o kgona ho vusa o mong hore e mong o na le matric, excuse me, e mong oh ha ona matric, o na le G11 G10, wa kgona ho spana ka na thola bo general worker. You can be a cleaner, then you know how sebetsa, o kgona hore keng o upgrade ntho tsa hao, dipampiri tsa hao, o etse eng, o be na le backup ka metsa security.
No guys, man, before we are whole read so we just a last message from FP Bafethu, from creatives, photographer, artist, singer, whoever. We all need each other Bafethu. I'm entrepreneurs, and then all people lana. Ival, I'm talking about intangazeti. Let's put away izinto
Masotmani, yeah.
Let's work together Bafethu.
I was about to say
let's push one narrative yokuthi suseni indlala yabo Bafethu kulanjiwe uyasifundile mina sifundile thina yabo nami ndiyaphusha no whenever you see me in your club, you're doing an event, just know that I'm here to support you. Whenever you need anything, just know ukuthi the plug Volcast is here to share sponsor sicela nangenye imini nje nani Bafethu yekanukulo yekani listing hey mangutsang umuntu mawula naye ibona ngathi lo muntu akuzosebenzela, cut him off bro, sibaniti. That's simple. If someone you're working with someone and then he betray you, this thing is simple. I know it's hard, it's painful, whatever. Cut him off, move on. Simple like that. But
and then no like the social media, no. I will guys.
I will rattle.
Thank you guys. Anyway, this is Zikana. I'm the hostess. Like it.
Yeah, this is FP Mankai from the Plug Podcast. Don't ask us says and goes and give a fit. And Junan, Rayeta reads. Yenako, Bona, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the most important one. Follow all our pages. YouTube. Please, Bafit, we need you on YouTube today. So let's subscribe. A lot of 2 cellular. Go 18.